to Daytime Live. It's Reggae Month, and within the month, we celebrate Dancehall Week. Now, here to tell us all about it is Dave Goldson. He's the CEO of Dancehall Week. Welcome again, Dave. Welcome one more year.
Blessings, man. Blessings.
Respect, man. Respect.
Yeah. So, why was Dancehall Week started?
Dancehall Week was started last year because we saw the need to promote the genre. It a very popular genre, but it was lost in the winds. And we decided that we want to elevate it to a position that it should rightfully be.
Yeah, so because you have soca week, you have reggae month. You really never had a dancehall week or a period of times
specifically for dancehall
celebration. So it started last year. It's a week of activities that runs from Monday to
the last week of reggae month is what we have asked the Honorable Minister to allow us to celebrate, and she granted our request.
Right.
And the rest is history.
All right. Take us through the week, starting each night or each day.
Okay, so we'll be doing some takeovers. The whole week, it's a whole week. So the Sunday we'll just be out in our numbers doing some takeovers. So on the Sunday we'll be taking over Boom Sundays. And then on the Monday we have what we have created, a Dancehall Village for the whole week. Nice. So that everything will be concentrated within the village.
And where will that be?
That's at Ranny Williams.
Okay.
On the front lawn.
Nice. So can I walk me through the Dancehall Village setting?
Okay, so the Dancehall Village will be having a museum and we'll be having exhibitors. So for the whole week, we'll be having seminars, workshops. So like on the Monday, we'll be having a seminar, monetizing and financial support for dancehall.
Nice.
Right, on the Tuesday, cannabis, and it's dancehall, and it's dependent on cannabis.
Right.
And then Dancehall Week Business of Entertainment Expo. Now on the Wednesday, we'll be having an official walkthrough, which will be live on radio. And the Thursday, on the Tuesday night, we'll be having the compound. They'll be taking over the village.
Okay.
So they'll be having entertainers there. It'll be a very nice vibe. And the Thursday, we'll be having the Blue Diamond Dancehall Fitness Boot Camp. So you have to get fit for go take on the road,
Yeah.
And on a Friday, we'll be having our first event. Because last year it was all about parties, events.
Right.
This year we wanted it to be informative and to give something that teaches and makes aware of the back end of the dancehall thing. So it's not just about all parties. But then the party kicks off on Friday with Dancehall Fashion Frenzy. It's going to actually be a fashion show showcasing dancehall, runway models, and we'll be having exhibitors, the stores that sell these dancehall wares. They'll be setting up their little booths, tents, and they'll be selling their wares.
The thing is, I'm glad you mentioned the party thing too, because really and truly, dancehall is what is used commercially in Jamaica and all over the world for kind of kick off our vibes. Like I've seen it in so many different spaces internationally, and dancehall is what they use to get people attention and engage audiences, right? And I see it all the time. So over the years, people have been exploiting the music or the genre, and I don't use exploiting in a bad way, because exploitation is absolutely necessary. So what we need to understand now is how to exploit it ourselves, so that we keep these gears moving and keep these gears running. So I'm very happy that you're doing this dancehall week thing. And speaking of keeping the gears moving, how much do we have to spend to support this event, and where can we get
for Fashion Frenzy? It will be featuring Stone Love and Boom Boom.
Proper.
Right. And it will be hosted by The Angel.
What answer?
Okay. Yeah, so it will be hosted by The Angel. It's $2,000 to go in, and you can get your tickets online at dancehallweek.com.
Right. On Saturday?
On Saturday, we'll be taking a little rest because the whole thing you need for rest. For Sunday, because Sunday is the big day.
Yeah, man. Sunday.
Sunday is the street
Sunday,
parade, the big bad dancehall street parade.
Tips is out on Sunday. No?
No, we'll be having 7 trucks.
Yeah?
7 trucks.
Nice.
We'll be having Hits FM truck. We'll be having the Irie FM truck. We'll be having the Sun City truck. We have the Dancehall Week truck.
Right.
Then we're going to have the Queen of Dancehall truck and the 777 truck.
The 777 truck.
Right.
I wonder if, you know, when the Clive truck go there.
What's the route?
I would struck that. No, the route, last year we had a long route and we learn as we go along. So this year we'll be leaving the Dancehall Village at Ranny Williams and we'll be going down Hope Road make our way into Halfway Tree, past the clock, go around and we'll be having a little chill spot in Halfway Tree.
Of course.
You never know which entertainer they are entertain. We have some of the big bad selector them on the truck them.
Yeah.
And then at the chill spot, come and see what I got there.
See. Yeah. Yeah.
And when we leave there, that starts at 5 o'clock. And then we'll make our way back up to the Dancehall Village, to the big bad carousing after party.
Yeah.
Now the carousing after party is featuring Ja Vinci, Pampute, Tommy Lee, Jamal, and Jada Kingdom.
Proper.
And that
Loud.
And I'll do it loud. We'll make sure it's affordable because it's 4,000 pre-sold for general, 6,000 at the gate.
That's very affordable.
VIP for that line up there, more than affordable.
Yeah, man.
VIP's 7,000 pre-sold and 10,000 at the gate.
Yeah. Sound good.
Nice vibe. I like that, man.
Yes, sir.
So I forgot. All right. So and this is one for the culture. So please, people, please support. So all right. So tell us where we can find more about you on social media.
Okay, we are on Instagram at dancehall.week. We're on Facebook and on TikTok. And you can go online at dancehallweek.com.
Okay. Yeah, man. Everything right there. So.
Everything is there.
I'm definitely going to be there. I was there last year. You know, I'm going to be again.
Hey, I see the launch. You see what the girl them have on. You see the costume them. What them have on.
No, but I talk about the costume, them, no, brother.
We'll talk more about the show in the break. Couldn't show it. But roll out. Support the culture. Daytime Live. We're right back and we have a throwback music video from Spanner Banner. Yeah.